风车是荷兰的特色，当地是有1200座的风车，爱靠有证照的风车操作员来维护。风车维修的技术即马嘛来做联合国教科文组织的非物质文化遗产，做伙来了解。
伫荷兰西北边嘅赞瑟斯汉斯有正美丽风车村，风车伫咧设顶动的时阵，那真有诗意，一个人产生强大力量。伫咧过去几多年来，荷兰靠着风车开发农业甲其他产业。风车会当产生能源甲排水，会当甲谷物磨做面粉，或者是固茶。风车除了靠风，一贯有一定负责维修的专业风车操作员。
Most people don't know that this profession still exists, and they are not aware that a mill has to be run by a miller and what a miller has to do, and that it's still possible to work or spend time on a mill. Yeah. So, and they are usually very interested.
贝克是荷兰风车操作员里面正少数的女性，伊就住伫咧风车内底，标定也有搭用手绘风车结构图，行过伊住的所在，壁图门开开就能看到风车的部分结构。对正架楼梯爬起嚟，就能爬起嚟风车的顶半部。贝克的工作就是定期检查维修。
A mill is like a car. It needs to run. It needs to move. Otherwise, it becomes wet and wrong. And you need a miller to make the mill move, to make the mill work.
专业的风车操作员就要接受2年到3年的实地训练，通过考试了就能得到认证执照。保持加 DID 就是最近通过考试的风车操作员，伫风车村做志工。因考执照唔是要赚钱，是一种维护荷兰文化遗产的热情。
You have to know what you can expect from certain kinds of weather, and the wind, of course. Thunder is also a very dangerous thing for the millers. Because of the lightning.
风车要设顶动，除了爱有风，有当时风车操作员一个倒刹一个。虽然这项技术的知名度无大，不过已经列做联合国教科文组织非物质文化遗产的名录内面。每一位风车操作员拢认为家己有一个使命，希望美丽的风车会当永远留伫咧荷兰的这片土地。公司新闻张淑芬编写。